Hey guys!
Hey, how you guys doing?
It's Sapphire
And Selena here.
and today we're going to be photo shooting our Lps dogs.
Yep. And I found a friend who knew a friend who knew another friend who found a photographer who's gonna come and shoot the LPS dogs.
Yeah. Hey Selena,
Yeah?
do you think this photographer is that good?
I don't know, but don't look now, because here she comes.
Hello.
Hi, are you the photographer?
Yes. Oui. I am the photographer. Rosita Frozy.
Okay. Nice name, by the way, but let's go.
Yeah.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Gosh, can you smile? Over a little.
Uh-huh.
Get closer. Give me pretty. Pretty! Passion. Perfect.
I think she did a pretty good job.
Yep.
Comment down below if you think she did good. Let us know what you think.
Cut!